Hi, today I'm going to take you through the steps of how to access the journals on the Fogler database. And the first step is to go ahead and go to the University of Maine webpage, so umaine.edu. And here we can go ahead and click on the A to Z directory and then on F for Fogler. And click on the link to Fogler Library. And then on indexes or indices and databases. And I would suggest that you go click on E for ERIC and then ERIC Education EBSCO. And here we can search for different kinds of articles. So I'm going to show one, for example. We're going to start very broad. We'll search for assessment. And so here we can see that it's 130,000 results. That's probably going to be too many. Let's say that we were looking for information on formative assessment. And now I have 1,400 results. And so I can start to scan through different types of articles. I can look for things that are full text, for example, and from peer-reviewed journals, and click Update. And now I'm down to 491. And then I can limit, and I can say I only want things in the last 5 years. And update again. And now I'm down to 314. And so at this point, I probably would start to look at my results and examine the kinds of things that I was interested in, because this is down to a manageable list to scan through. Now I can just simply pick one here. So I'll just take this first one, and I see this is a descriptive analysis of state-supported formative assessment initiatives. This is an REL document, which is a Regional Education Lab. Actually, I want to pull a journal. So exploring formative assessment as a tool for learning. And I can click here, and I see I have linked full text. Notice that this took place in Sweden. And by clicking on this, I can get the actual article. Now, if you're accessing this from off campus, you will need to call the Fogler library and inquire as to how to activate your main card to access journals from offline. When I'm at home, I'm asked to punch in the barcode from my, the serial number basically, from my ID card. And in doing so, it then allows me to access all of these journals and all of these articles. So you'll need to call the Fogler library. Their number is 207-581-1666, and that will take you to the circulation desk. That's 207-581-1666. So that's just a brief overview of how to pull down the articles and to find things that are peer-reviewed from EBSCO, which is one of the databases that you can search from Fogler. They also have other training sessions on how to access other types of journals, but for this course, this should suffice for what you need for the discussion posts.